about the frog prince.
No. Good morning, teacher, parents, and all my friends. My name is Hanson. I am 5 years old. Today, I would like to tell you a story about the frog prince. Once there was a princess. She was playing a golden ball. Suddenly, the golden ball got near right top. She started to cry and cry. There was a frog appeared from the pot with the golden ball. She was very big frog. In return, the frog asked the princess to kiss it. The princess kissed the frog and he turned the handsome kiss. They lived happily ever after. Thank you. Thank you, sir. The next storyteller from K1 class is Jung Il-ro.